To build a hotspot style image, you first need to decide how you want it to appear. In this example, I want the user to click a marker on the image and have a text box appear with a description. I also want an arrow linking the box to the marker and an icon to allow the user to close the description. And all of these are just PowerPoint objects. To make it simpler to apply animations and triggers, it's worth renaming all the items. With one selected, open the Format ribbon and click the Selection pane button. Here you can see everything on the slide. To change an object's name, select the object on the slide and then click against its name in the selection pane, highlight the text and rename it to something meaningful. Here I'm just going to rename it so I know what marker it's related to and what sort of object it is. Same thing for all of the other objects on the slide that will be involved in the animation. With everything renamed, I'm now ready to put the animation scheme in. First, select everything you want to appear when a marker is clicked: text box, close icon, and the arrow. Then add an appropriate entrance animation. Here I'm just using a straightforward appear animation. Next, click on Trigger, choose On Click Of, then select the object that the user must click to have those animations play, in this case the appropriate marker. If you want to be able to hide things again, you need to select everything that you want to go away, in this case the arrow, the text box, and the close icon, and add an appropriate exit animation. In this case I'm just using Disappear. Then, again, click on Trigger, On Click Of, and choose the object users must click to make the objects go away. You can test it works at this point by opening the slideshow. If you're happy that all is working as expected, work through all the rest of the objects in the same way and test it again at the end. Testing triggered animations is crucial. It's well worth working through each option several times over to make sure that each part does exactly what you want it to do. If you're experiencing problems, you can also open the animation pane from the animations ribbon, and this will show you everything that you've got added in. Although these schemes can appear complex, by renaming everything and working through carefully and systematically, they can be quite quick to produce and add a great deal of extra interactivity to your resource.